Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. Okay, this is your reading. Okay, pagdating sa ano ba ang kailangan mong malaman. Okay, ito ang kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo. Okay, so yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And syempre, pagdating rin sa ating mga protection from evil eye, kay granter, kay love bracelet, kay tawag dyan, kay cord cutting, yan, sa cord cutting, message na lang po, okay, para doon na lang din masagot ni admin, okay, si admin na lang yung sasagot. And yeah, if you're looking for a healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message, okay? And kung gusto nyo rin na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, yeah, just message na lang po rin sa kanya pong FB page. And take note. Okay, so note. Oo. Pagdating sa reading, no? Kung meron po tayong ang tawag dyan, transaction na meron ng date, okay? Iwasan po na mag-deactivate ng FB account, okay? Para po maisesend ko sa inyo yung link ng reading, okay po? Kasi hindi po ako nagamit ng yung ordinary na messenger, okay? So I don't know kung bakit anong meron kapag nag-deact ka is hindi ako makaka-reply. May ganun. Okay? So, iwasan lang natin yung hassle. Okay? So, yeah. Kasi talagang yung huli, hanggang yun, hindi ko pa rin na tawag dyan, hindi ko pa rin nasisend. Oo. So, ngayon, nag-iintay si client. Diba? Nag-share ako. Nag-iintay siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya ma-reach out. Na text ko na siya dun sa ginamit niyang GCash number. Tinawagan ko, kaso nga lang cannot be reached. Okay, ang hirap. So okay, iwasan lang natin ang hassle. So Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius placements. Okay, so tingnan natin muna yung physical looks, okay, ng person mo. So, hindi ka naman siguradong makaka 100% resonate dito kasi hindi naman 100% makukuha mo lahat, no? Okay, let's see. Anong meron sa person mo, Sag? Anong meron sa looks niya? Dagdag lang to. Okay, dagdag lang to. Anong meron sa looks niya? Okay, braids. Yeah, so maybe yung person mo is mahilig tawag dyan, mag-ayos sa buhok niya, marunong mag-braids, no? Kahit lalaki siya, may ganon, specific. Okay? So, what else? White, gray hair. So, diba, napaka-specific. Specific kasi to lahat, ang lahat na nandito. White, gray hair. So, pwedeng may puti na, no? Or sabihin natin, ganito yung color talaga ng hair niya. Yes, diba? Fashion, diba? Okay. So, ito pa. Diba? Black hair. So, kunin nyo lang po, ha? Kunin nyo lang yung pwedeng makaresonate sa inyo. This is all about hair, no? Some of you, yung person mo, sabihin natin ang work niya is buhok, okay, something regarding buhok, mga ganyan, specific yon, okay? There's this something significant pagdating sa hair ni person, okay? So what else? Black or African American, okay? So pwedeng ganyan yung lahi niya, or sabihin natin medyo dark lang yung kanyang skin tone. Okay, what else? Okay. Red lips. Yung iba rito talaga nakikita ko na pwede yung work ng person mo is pwedeng sa salon. Okay? Or talagang mahilig lang siya sa fashion. Ganyan. Beauty mark. Okay, so pwedeng may nunal. Something nagpapa-enhance sa beauty. Mapalalaki, mapababae, or ano man gender. Okay, so there's this beauty mark. Pwedeng may dimples. Yan. Okay, so last two. Ano pang meron sa person mo, Sag? Albino. So, 'di ba? Napakahati ng energy pagdating dito sa tawag dyan, sa looks. Okay, so kunin nyo lang po ha. O, diba sabi ko sa inyo, hindi kayo 100% makaka-resonate lahat-lahat dito. Okay? Some of them pwedeng fair skin. Last, wavy hair, diba? Humabol pa ulit hair. Okay? So, skinny for some of you, yung person mo. Okay, average height. Okay, so skinny, hindi ganun kataba, hindi ganun kapayat, or siguro payat nga kasi skinny, no? Anyway, so yeah, may mga tinutukoy dito pagdating sa person mo, pagdating sa kanyang buhok. I don't know kung anong meron. Okay, so maybe marunong sila pagdating sa buhok, mga ganyan. Okay, marunong silang mag-cut ng hair, maybe. They do barbers, they do cutting hair, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, they're into fashion for some of them. Yeah, may beauty marks. Marunong sila like makeup, mga ganyan. Okay, because of this red lips. Some of them, pwedeng sabihin nating talagang red lips kahit hindi naman laging naka lipstick or no. Or, yeah. Okay? So, yeah, kung makikita ko dito nga, 'di ba? Oh, yung lips niya. Anyway, fashion. Anyway, so, yun ang nakikita ko pagdating sa looks ni person mo, no? Sana may naka-resonate. Okay. So, tayo tumungo sa tarot. So, ano bang meron pagdating sa person mo, Sag? So, dito na tayo magkakatalo sa tarot, okay? So, anong energy ni person mo? Ooh! Okay, wow. The moon, pwedeng Pisces. Judgment, Scorpio placement. I'm hearing letter S. I don't know kung anong meron sa letter S. Okay. There's this secret. I think this is like admiration or energy ni person mo na pwedeng may something, no, like you're being intuitive. Some of you, you're intuitive. Okay? Like nararamdaman mo kung anong meron pagdating sa isang tao, kung anong emosyon niya. Some of you, you're an empath. Okay? So, hindi ko nilalahat. Pero some of you, you know na you're an empath. Okay? Yung kayang makaramdam ng nararamdaman ng isang tao. Okay? Mga ganon. Yung, or sabihin natin, yung energy or yung frequency or ambience ng isang lugar is parang malaman mo or anyway, pinaliwanag pa, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, itong person na to, some of them po may pagka-introvert. Okay, they're like a loner. Yeah. Pwedeng nakikita mo or nararamdaman mo yung energy ng taong to or kung anong meron. Okay? Pagdating sa kanya. 10 of Cups. Some of you, every time na nakikita mo to, nandun yung happiness, I think. Yung iba rito this is so specific. Tago yung connection nyo nitong tao. Tago. Okay? Anyway, nakatago yung connection nyo. It's like, tago yung connection, tago yung relasyon, pero masaya kami. Masaya yung energy. Parang ganun. Kailangan natin itong itago para na rin, parang meron kayong sariling mundo. Kayo lang nagkakaintindihan ng taong to. Anyway, let's see ano bang situation nyo. Strength. Okay. Why is that? What's with that? Yeah. Oh, the Three of Cups in reverse. So I think this is just energy ng ang tawag dyan, connection na talagang bawal na ipaalam sa iba. Okay, unrequited for some of you. Okay, so this is like an energy na pwedeng kayo pero hindi legal. Okay, some of you, this is like a third party, I don't know. Some of you, wala kayong label nitong taong to. Okay, walang label. Meron ako nakukuha dito para kang na-friend zone or para mong friend zone itong person. Somebody is hiding their true feelings for you. Okay, kasi pwedeng energy niya is friend mo. May ganong pong energy, side message po yun. So, ano ba ang emosyon talaga ng taong to sa'yo, Sag? Itong taong ito kailangan itong gumawa ng aksyon. Kailangan itong gumawa ng desisyon, I think. Pero, isinasantabi. Merong kailangan gumawa ng aksyon dito, pero isinasantabi. There's this issue, I think. Pero, parang isinasantabi lang. Masaya naman kami. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito, Sag. Let's see emotion niya. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, and the Lovers. This is commitment. This person likes you a lot. Okay? They're committed. They are. The Ace of Pentacles, the Temperance. Oh, Sag. This is like a strong connection. Meron tong strong feelings pagdating sa'yo. No label. Okay? Some of you, itong taong to, pwedeng pansin mo na meron siyang something for you, pero hindi mo lang marinig from them. Okay? Pero ramdam mo na masaya kayo sa isa't isa. May ganun na energy. Pero deep down, their emotion is they want commitments. What's the issue here? Anong issue dito? What's the blockage? What is the blockage? The Magician in reversed. Kung ano yung mga dapat kasing gawin, parang hindi ginagawa. I don't know why. The Fool, may takot rin. Okay? Emotions, maybe. Situations, maybe. It depends. Okay? It depends. Nandun yung takot ng taong to. Kung ano bang meron sa'yo, Sag, or sa part niya. Anong meron? There's issue here. Okay, this is unrequited maybe. Or talagang tagong connection, tagong relasyon. Dinideny na hindi naman kami talaga. Pero may mga nakakapansin. What is their next action towards you, Sag? The Knight of Wands. So this is liking you. This is sex. Okay, for some of you. They want you. The Three of Pentacles. So, this person, sabihin natin talagang ginugusto ka. Some of you, this is a workplace related, okay, na connection. Kaya dapat tago. parang ganyan, or somebody is sabihin nating in a relationship, or yeah, kanya-kanya, depende sa kung anong situation, okay? Pero yeah, this person likes you. Yeah, they like you. There's this issue, the 5 of Swords. Okay? Basta yun yung nakakakuha ko ng energy na naiirita ka na, no, sa person na to, kasi hindi sila nagiging straightforward sa kanilang emotion for you. Okay? Pero ramdam mo kulang na lang yung sabihin. Pero bakit ayaw sabihin? Ayaw aksyonan or what? Okay? I don't know whose part. Okay? Ang merong issue dito. Yeah. I'm seeing here third parties or some of you. Okay? So, again, papalawakin natin yung pag-intindi sa third party. So, pagdating sa third party, something or someone na pwedeng nakakapagbigay ng, sabihin nating hindrance or block sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Para magsama, para magkaroon ng union. Okay? So, yun po ha. So, kung alam ninyo na may kung anong third party sa inyong mga sitwasyon, then yun. Okay, ano bang meron? Ano bang energy niya towards you, Sag? Let's see. What is their energy? The Wheel of Fortune. This person really likes you a lot. Yeah. See? They want victory with you. Okay, they want to work things out. Some of you, this is work related. Sabihin natin parang magkasama nga sa trabaho, parang ganyan. Okay, this is too obvious. Some of you, obvious na to. Okay, there's this big elephant in the room na sinasabi. Pasensya na po sa ingay. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Ano ba ang outcome / advice for you, Sag? Hierophant. Wow. This is commitment. This is long term. Some of you, this is talking about marriage. Yeah. Okay, lalo na kung alam yung single kayo pareho. Okay? Kung alam yung single kayo pareho, then there's this possibility of marriage or long-term connection in the near future. Okay, outcome, the Hierophant. Yeah. What's with this? See, the Queen of Wands. Kung talagang gusto ka nitong taong to, ipupursue ka nito kahit ano man ang mangyari. Isang tabi niyan kung ano yung mga takot niya, kung ano man. Okay? Yeah. Siyempre, ayaw rin na mag-regret ng taong to. Pero kung alam nyo na may mga third party, lalo kung person ng third party dito, ha. Sabihin nating ayusin niya. Okay? Ayusin niya, gagawa siya ng desisyon, mamimili siya bago siya kumonekta sa'yo. Like, totally. Okay? Ito yun. This is cooperation. Yeah. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so, yeah. So, nasa na ba tayo? Oo. Outcome, sabi ko, di ba, maganda naman. Sana lang, no? Sana lang na magkaroon nga, no, ng maganda na resulta. Kasi, madalas, okay, sige, ganito na lang. Oo, ganito na lang tayo. Tago na lang natin tayo. Di ba? Ayaw natin, no, na. Oo, mahirap. Okay, so, kayo rin naman nahihirapan, di ba? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay, for you Sagittarius placements. Chan, chan, chan. Okay, so Aries. They're trying to avoid you, or you have to avoid this Aries. Taurus, you have to move forward. Okay, some of you, this Taurus is moving forward or making action. Or maybe ikaw ang kailangan gumawa ng action for this Taurus. Okay, Gemini, they're watching you. They're like stalking you. Okay, they're stalking you. Some of you, pwedeng nilayuan ka nito ni Gemini. Pero ni-stalk ka niya. Capricorn, why Capricorn? Oh my God. I'm so sorry. So, Cancer. Okay. So, I think there's this energy na pwedeng gagawa na siya ng isang decision. Okay? Kung ano man ang kailangan gawin. Leo, oh, they love you. Pero some of them, they're trying to avoid their emotions, no? Okay. Virgo, they like you. Yeah, they like you. Some of them, they will pursue you. Okay. Libra, okay, they're jealous. Yeah, they're jealous. I don't know why. So, Scorpio, okay, so I think alam na niya lahat ng gagawin pagdating sa connection or sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Alam na niya ang gagawin lahat. Sagittarius, they love you. Yeah, they love you. Unconditionally. Capricorn, okay, some of them, there's energy ng dark side pagdating sa kanya. Some of them, they're like a manipulator, a player for some of them. Okay? So, Aquarius. Si Aqua, sinasabi dito na mas maganda talikuran mo na lang ito or alisan mo na lang. Okay, to avoid toxic energy or kung ano man. Okay, pwedeng vice versa. Pisces, okay, they're making a decision in general. Yeah. Okay, so some of them, kung hindi ka kinakausap nito, so yun na yung sigurong decision nila na huwag nang magparamdam or kausapin ka. Okay, or maybe you have to make a decision na ikaw na yung hindi na kumausap or wag mo nang replyan or whatsoever. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!